Welcome. Let's start with some basics. Can you tell me what is Power Automate and how does it differ from other automation tools?
Sure. Power Automate is a cloud-based service from Microsoft that enables users to create automated workflows between various applications and services. It helps automate repetitive tasks, streamline processes, and improve productivity. Unlike traditional automation tools, Power Automate integrates seamlessly with the Microsoft 365 ecosystem and offers a user-friendly no-code, low-code interface, making automation accessible to both technical and non-technical users.
Great. Can you explain what a flow is in Power Automate?
A flow in Power Automate is essentially an automated workflow that connects different apps and services to perform tasks automatically. Flows can be triggered by specific events, like receiving an email, or scheduled to run at certain times. They consist of triggers and actions that define the sequence of operations.
What are the different types of flows available in Power Automate?
There are primarily four types: automated flows, triggered by specific events, like receiving an email; scheduled flows, run at scheduled times or intervals; button flows, manually triggered via a button in the mobile app or desktop; business process flows, guide users through a set of steps to complete business processes, ensuring consistency.
How do you handle errors or exceptions within a flow?
Power Automate provides error handling through the use of Configure Run After settings. You can set actions to run if a previous step fails, succeeds, or is skipped. Additionally, I often include parallel branches for error notifications, such as sending an email alert if a step fails, ensuring robust error management.
Can you give an example of how you might use Power Automate with SharePoint?
Absolutely. For example, I can create a flow that automatically saves email attachments to a SharePoint document library. When an email arrives with an attachment, the flow triggers, extracts the attachment, and uploads it to a designated SharePoint folder, streamlining document management and reducing manual effort.
How do you integrate Power Automate with other services like Outlook, Teams, or third-party applications?
Power Automate offers a wide range of connectors. For Outlook, I can automate email notifications or calendar updates. For Teams, I can post messages, create channels, or manage meetings automatically. For third-party apps, I utilize available connectors or custom APIs to integrate and automate workflows across various platforms.
What are some best practices you follow while designing flows?
Some best practices include keeping flows simple and modular for easier maintenance, using descriptive names for flows and actions, incorporating error handling to manage exceptions, testing flows thoroughly before deployment, documenting flow logic for team understanding, limiting the number of steps to optimize performance.
Have you worked with Power Automate Desktop? If so, how is it different from Cloud Flows?
Yes, I have used Power Automate Desktop. It is designed for desktop automation, allowing automation of tasks on Windows machines, such as interacting with legacy applications or performing UI-based tasks. Unlike Cloud Flows, which are event-driven and operate in the cloud, desktop flows run locally on the user's machine and are ideal for automating tasks that require UI interaction or access to local resources.
Finally, how do you ensure security and compliance when creating flows?
I ensure security by following best practices, such as using secure connections and credentials stored in Azure Key Vault or environment variables, limiting permissions to only what's necessary for the flow, monitoring flow runs and audit logs regularly, conforming to organizational policies regarding data handling, avoiding sensitive data exposure in flow configurations or notifications.
Excellent. Thank you for your detailed responses.
You're welcome. Glad I could share my knowledge.